Building AI isn't just about coding. It takes an entire team of diverse experts working together. Think of a robot teacher needing programmers for its brain, designers for its look, psychologists for student motivation, and lawyers for safety rules. Data roles split into two paths: data scientists who detective through information for patterns, and machine learning engineers who train algorithms to get smarter. At Netflix, viewing data gets analyzed for patterns while recommendation algorithms suggest your next binge watch based on what millions have enjoyed. Even the most powerful AI is useless if people can't figure out how to use it. Would you prefer AI that's incredibly powerful but confusing, or something simple that anyone can use but has limits? UX experts give assistants like Siri natural voices and comfortable interactions, making them feel like helpful friends rather than cold machines. AI affects real lives, so we need people thinking about fairness, privacy, and how society changes. Ethicists check for bias, sociologists study behavioral changes, and lawyers ensure privacy, all working to keep AI fair and safe. An AI hiring tool rejected female applicants more often because it was trained mostly on male data, exactly why we need ethical oversight. Business roles branch out too. Project managers coordinate teams, consultants advise on strategy, and analysts find the best opportunities for AI. AI managers act like team coaches, making sure data scientists, designers, and ethicists all work toward the same goal. Teaching and research shape AI's future by creating knowledge and passing it to the next generation. Educators design courses, lead ethics discussions, and prepare students to become tomorrow's AI experts with both technical and social understanding. Universities create the breakthroughs that eventually become the AI tools we use every day. Academic theories from research labs transform into practical tools at companies, showing how university discoveries become real-world applications. The AI field keeps growing with entirely new types of jobs appearing all the time. AI ethicists, prompt engineers, explainability experts, and AI trainers represent careers that didn't exist just a few years ago. Just like 20 years ago, no one imagined social media managers, future AI jobs haven't been imagined yet. Let's explore AI careers through hands-on activities that bring these roles to life. Design team posters, role-play building school AI, and debate which roles matter most. Each activity deepens your understanding of AI careers. AI is not built by coders alone. It takes teams of scientists, engineers, designers, managers, ethicists, educators, and many more working together.